There it is, coming on now. Yeah, here we are, Stairtown put in. River's running at about 25% its normal capacity because of we're year 3 into a drought. But we have found the one spot where it rained. This is not a normal start or stop point for us, but it is today. So we're going to see if the mighty Tundra will get this 40-foot boat through here. Wes is gonna reach in and get his inner Peruvian bridge building skills out.
Yeah, it's
I could probably use a hand.
So my thinking is, Wes, if you stay up high enough where Gabe is, you know, you're too.
I mean, you can always stay. I would stay high on that side, to be honest. Because
yeah, but look how good this is.
Okay, yeah, this is solid. Well, yeah, because it's high ground.
Then all he's got to worry about is passenger side tires.
Oh yeah, you don't want the.
So what redneck thought that a little branch here was gonna
help?
Maybe it will. I'm gonna leave it.
You want all 3 out, Wes?
Probably just that one. Yeah, maybe all 3. I don't want it jacking up my undercarriage.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Okay.
Man, yeah, if it sends one of them up.
Too.
I'm glad I'm camera operator today.
Yeah. The one time.
All right.
Pick up the damn camera. Hold on.
Oh, damn it.
Thought they had rednecks in Holland, man. All right, I'll get in the truck when you get to the last one.
You want it out too? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wes, does this? Here we go. I think you're gonna have to make the donation, Gabe.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Donation done.
All right. So now we'll see if the mighty Tundra can at least handle one mud hole.
We'll get rid of this brush too. Alrighty, here we go.
You got lockouts on your 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, I already locked it in.
Okay, good. That's the key. No point in spinning 4-wheel drive if they're just spinning.
I didn't look at the forecast. Is it going to rain today? I can certainly hear thunder.
Well,
my
bet is yes. Well, this is a drizzle, so technically this is already qualifies as rain.
We'll take what we can get here right now. Piece of cake. That's what these things were made for. Kind of loud. But...
I will walk down since my.
I'm gonna walk down also.
All right.
Let's turn that off.